be making a summery fruit salad. To get started, I'm going to use a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. Put it in a bowl. And then I'm going to use a container of this cream of coconut jello pudding, instant. Sprinkle it on the crushed pineapple. Mix it up well. It'll start thickening. That smells good already. Pineapple and coconut is so good together. Now I'm going to add probably about a cup of milk to it, because this will thicken. I'm just guessing at it. After you whisk all that together really good, that was about a cup of milk. I'm going to put the lid on it and put it in the refrigerator and let it chill. And then I'll show you what else you do when it chills. It'll get thick. I got some pecans chopped up, and now I'm going to chop up some strawberries. I want them in little bite-sized pieces. Okay, now I'm going to chop up a banana. And what I like to do with the banana after I get it chopped up, I'll show you. Just in little bite-sized pieces also. Okay, on the banana, I'm going to take some lime juice and kind of squirt it over top. This will help keep it from turning. I'm also going to do some on the strawberries. I think limes go good with pineapple anyway, so that'll be great. Little lime juice and turn them over a little bit. Okay, to the pudding mixture, I want to add all my ingredients. The pecans, the bananas, strawberries, also going to add some coconut. I'm going to mix all this up together. Look how pretty. I'm going to fold in some whipped topping. So I'm going to go with this. Give it a taste. That's good. Okay, now I'm going to put this back in the refrigerator and let it set up some more. And then I'm going to top it. Now we're gonna toast some coconut to put on top of the fruit salad. Toasted coconut makes your house smell so good when it's toasted. This is gonna be great on top of the fruit salad. Okay, to finish off this fruit salad, I'm gonna dollop some whipped cream on top. Spread it around. This would be great to take to a picnic or something during the summer. I love cold desserts when it's summertime. It's hot outside. So cool and refreshing. Okay, after you do that, then you take this toasted coconut and you take it and you sprinkle all over the top. There we go. Now I gotta taste it. It looks delicious. Mmm. Oh yeah, that is so good. Thank you all for joining me today. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.